Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up data to Google Drive on Samsung M35 device. Well, when switching to a new device or upgrading your current device, backing up data to Google Drive allows you to transfer your information seamlessly. You can easily restore your backup data on the new device, ensuring a smooth transition without losing important files or settings. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To get the process, you can enter your settings menu. So here, scroll down and then select the accounts and backup option. Okay, so within this menu, enter to the backup data feature here. So you can choose the specific data you want to back up, such as videos, photos, or other essential information stored on your device. Okay, after selecting the data to back up, click Confirm and grant the necessary access permission to your media. And then proceed by selecting the preferred network connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, to back up your data to Google Drive. Well, once the connection is chosen, click on Backup Now to initiate the backup process. So you can wait until the process is finished. Well, that's the tutorial on how to back up data to Google Drive on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.